Welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Saturday, December 13th. XRP, I think it's around $2 or something. But hey, we got some huge news. This was from Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, yesterday, coming out with almost 3 million views. Huge news. Ripple just received conditional approval from the US OCC to chart a Ripple National Trust Bank. This is a massive step forward. First for the RLUSD, and then setting the highest standard for stablecoin compliance with both federal OCC and state oversight. So to the banking lobbyists, he says, your anti-competitive tactics are transparent. You've complained that crypto isn't playing the same rules, but here's the crypto industry, directly under the OCC's supervision and standards, prioritizing compliance, trust, and innovation to the benefit of consumers. What are you so afraid of? Guys, this is huge. This is so bullish for XRP, and I even posted this on X. I don't think people really understand how big of a deal this is. Ripple becoming a national trust bank in the United States of America, and people are still questioning XRP. I feel sorry for you. Jack the Rippler says it. We've got U.S. senators pushing to finalize the crypto market structure bill, the Clarity Act, before Christmas, which would be absolutely massive, guys. We got so much clarity coming in for XRP. The foundation is being laid. The backbone of the new financial system is being set. Quantitative tightening is off. December 1st, it was off. And now we have quantitative easing turning on yesterday. 12 days later, the Fed starts to print $40 billion in Treasury bill buys. 2026 will open a new liquidity cycle. Guys, I hope you're bullish for next year. I know everyone's calling bear market this, bear market that. But guys, with the regulation, with the Clarity Act, with Ripple becoming a U.S. chartered bank in the United States of America, with quantitative easing coming on, billions of dollars getting printed, I have a hard time believing that XRP's just going to crash down next year. I think it's going to shoot straight up, and we're going to be seeing a minimum $10 plus for XRP. Let's take a look at the price, actually. Let's dive into the charts real quick. For taking a look at the daily, it's been a little bit of boring price action. We are coming in around $2.02. We had a weak daily candle. It was green, but it was weak. That is a weak candle. You know, potentially, if we can get back up, we're kind of in the middle of this range here. So we've got support here, obviously, at $2, $1.98, $1.99. And then we have resistance up ahead at $2.11, $2.12, and then ultimately $2.17, and so forth. So what I'm potentially looking for a reversal here, as you can see, we had this leg down, we shot up quick, and we've just been like grinding down over the course of some time. I mean, this is from November 25th, and now we're at December 13th. So over the course of a couple weeks, we've just been grinding sideways and down, potentially forming this second bottom leg to this what I would like to call a W pattern. Potentially. I mean, you guys can see it here. I mean, you don't have to be blind to see it, but that would be a W pattern. And as long as we, you know, form a higher low here, then we'll be looking good. So basically, as long as we don't go below $1.82, we're good. Even $1.88, I would like to see us hold this $2 range as that second leg and then continue up. You can see the candle body was at $1.94, and really, to be, you know, super safe, I'd like to say I don't want to see a daily close below $1.94. Maintain this structure to see a reversal W to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking out for. You know, looking at the weekly, we've been literally just nothing's changed. Like, nothing's changed. We've been literally going down since July, the middle of July. This has been a 5-month downtrend now on the weekly time frame. So guys, at some point, this is going to flip bullish. This is going to break out massively to the upside. 5 months down, and I mean just grinding down, like zero relief. Even if it's a grind to the upside, a massive pump to the upside, just to come back to the $3 range, it's at least coming back here in the very, very near term, I believe. RSI is extremely oversold on the weekly. I mean, everything on the weekly points to us getting a push higher, to the price going up. And I know a lot of you out there may say, how is that so? I mean, we're at $2. Look at that downtrend. But guys, these are the times when you want to be hungry for XRP, the times that you want to buy, the times that you have to stay vigilant, the times you got to stay optimistic, the times where you got to say a reversal is coming, a reversal is possible. Especially right here, like when we were grinding down here. You think on this candle, people were like, you know, we're going to reverse here? Maybe, maybe not, but we did. And ultimately we pushed up again. Same here, we came back down every single time. Look at this whole range that we're at, this $2 range. We've had big pushes off this range. So as you can see, guys, we're at that range, that same range. We need to see a big push up on the weekly soon. I will say this will be completely invalidated if we get a fat weekly close below this $2 range, and I would say below the 190 range on a weekly candle. That would be something that we haven't seen. So just keep an eye out for that. But again, you know, looking at the immediate short term. I mean, today's Saturday. Look at that textbook reversal 4-hour candle. Wow. Immediate short term, we're just bouncing around. Came down to $2, bounced up. We're floating here. We could come back to $2. We got to hold that as support. If we don't hold it as support, $1.90 could be in play. I don't want to see that happen. I think we'll keep holding $2 as support. Resistance up ahead is $2.11. Nothing happens unless we break $2 or we go above $2.11. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and liking the videos. And I'll keep you updated in the next one. Till next time.